play the parrot game. In this game, I'm going to try to catch you. I'll be telling you what is in the picture, and you will have to repeat after me, but I won't always say the truth, so you have to be careful. Okay, a pilot. A policeman. A doctor. A firefighter. A nurse. A pizza. A nurse.
A sandwich.
Good. Okay. A carrot. A rectangle. A triangle. A circle. A rectangle. Good. A pilot. Good. A policeman. A doctor. A policeman. Oh, okay. You're better than I am. What's this? Yeah, a firefighter. A nurse. A pizza. A sandwich. A carrot. A square. Oh, okay, a triangle. A circle. A triangle. Oh, okay, a pilot. A nurse. Yay! Point for me! Thank you, Bartek. Okay. Okay, wait. A policeman. A doctor. A nurse. Okay. A nurse. Good. A pizza. A sandwich. A carrot. A pizza. Okay. A rectangle. A triangle. A square.
A square.
Thank you. That's a circle.